one thing that I always tell students is, don't let people put you in a box, particularly students of special ed who struggle with reading. The box is dark, it's lonely, and it's a place that will keep you there oppressed for the rest of your life. And so I always tell students that you have to work hard, right? You can't give up, and if you feel like you need to ask for help. Like, just ask. And a lot of teachers, particularly ones who haven't had training in dyslexia, don't know the signs to look for in kids, and it hurts. Because our babies are the future. They're the ones who are going to be next CEOs, next mayors. They could be anything they want to be, and provide the right instruction and the right teacher.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.